Kaya. Where are you, Kaya? There's Kaya. Right by my side. There she is. Squirrel. I think I hear one. Yes, a squirrel. I hear a squirrel. This is terrifying. Attack of the mutant squirrels on steroids. What are we gonna do, girl? What are we gonna do? Oh, well, you don't look real concerned about this dilemma. No, you don't look really concerned. Yes, you're a sweet girl. Sweet girl, sweet girl. My Kaya. Yeah. I love my girl. Where are you going? Sit. Sit, Kaya. Good girl. Stay. Down. Good girl. Up. What a good one. Where'd you go? There you are. There you are. What a great service dog. Yeah.